Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing a good old-fashioned Boxycharm unboxing. Now, I swear I canceled my Boxycharm subscription. I don't know how this ended up on my doorstep. I logged into my account after I received this yesterday, and it looks like I'm still subscribed. I was like, I swear I canceled. In fact, I pretty much canceled every beauty box. I canceled Ipsy, FabFitFun. I thought I canceled Boxycharm, but apparently not. So I thought, hey, you know what? Here it is. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing together. This is the base box for the month of May. Is this not the tiniest Boxycharm box you guys have ever seen? This is tiny and it honestly feels like it weighs like nothing. Let's just go ahead and dive in. This month's theme is Flourish. I did get a card this time. In the previous months, I wasn't getting a card. I don't know what's up with this, and I've seen other people talk about this before too, that they get cards and that they don't get cards. I don't know what the deal is. It doesn't really matter. Now, my variation, this is interesting. Now, I swear they used to just put like a number here, but this says C2105115-BA. Is that a thing now, Boxycharm? We have so many variations now, we have to add like 1,000 numbers and a letter to it? Or a couple letters to it. The first item I see is the My Daily Dose of Uplift. This is from Skin Inc. Supplement Bar. This is a serum cocktail. Now, I am all about serums. I absolutely love skincare products, and I do like getting them in subscription boxes because skincare is extremely expensive. I have said this before, and if I can pay 20-some bucks a month and try out new skincare, then why not? Let's see what this one retails for. This retails for $65. So you see what I mean? Skincare is very expensive. This says it is a cocktail of collagen, coenzyme 10, hyaluronic acid that is encapsulated from Japan. I can definitely see the little encapsulated beads inside the serum. Encapsulated beads, encapsulations. Is that what you would call that? Capsules? Whatever. Packaging feels very nice. This is glass. It's got a seal on it. Thank goodness for that. Can't wait to try that out. Right, let's move on to the next item. We have from Tarte. This is their Shape Tape Glow Wand. Mine is in the shade Alight. Now, I have actually talked about this product on my channel. Probably been talking about this for about 2 years now. This is a total dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I love this product. I use it quite often. Tarte actually sent me their entire shade range of this product. It is so incredibly good. Since I already have this, I don't want to open it. I might put it into a giveaway, but this product is actually really good. This retails for $27. It says that this is, and this is the proper description of this product, is that it is an instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brighteners let your skin come through to deliver a natural, lit from within youthful glow. That is exactly what it does. You can put this on your under eyes. You can use it alone, underneath concealer. You can put it on top of concealer. You can even use this like on the top of the cheeks as a highlighter. This is such a multi-use product and it really is beautiful. It makes your skin look absolutely gorgeous. It is so good. If you don't subscribe to Boxycharm or if you didn't get this product, I really highly suggest checking this out. Totally worth the 20 bucks. It is such a good product. Now, the next item I see is from Beekman 1802. This is their Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. This has goat milk, colostrum, and a milk probiotic. I don't know what a colostrum is. Nonetheless, let's check it out. It says it is free of fragrance, sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, alcohol, phthalates, synthetic colorants, formaldehyde, and talc because yuck. I like that. I am actually very picky about eye products because I have very sensitive under eyes. I have a lot of hormonal skin issues. I get hormonal dermatitis. So I have to be very careful with the products that I use, especially around my eyes. I mean, this is definitely something that I am open to trying. What's cool is that this can actually go on the under eyes, on the lids, and around the orbital bones. And it says it can be used morning and night, which is really nice. This product says it retails for $42. So, I mean, it's a nice product to get. Like I said, I'm picky about eye products. I don't mind getting something like that, but I'm not like super excited about it. Well, the next item that I have here doesn't really make sense to me. I don't know why this is in the box. This is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is their mini kabuki brush. It is made of 100% synthetic fibers. It said it is perfect for all over mineral foundation application. This is apparently one of their best selling brushes and it retails for $20. I am sorry, but I am familiar with the Bella Pierre brand and I would never pay $20 for this brush. I mean, this feels so lightweight, so cheap. There is no way, like, I'm sorry, there is no way. I just would never. I have gotten brushes that are literally a third of the cost that feel better than this, that are more weighted, and the bristles don't even feel that nice. It actually feels kind of harsh. Maybe it does work really nicely. I'm open to using it. Just for me, it's not worth 20 bucks. And why is this in here? Because I only have one other item and I have no powders in here. I have no blushes, bronzers, nothing. So this is just so random to me. Now, the last item in my box is from Ciate London. This is one of their shadow flips. Retails for $20. It says this liquid eyeshadow has shape-shifting, color-flipping pigments. This is supposed to be a multi-chrome product. This is a really cool concept, but it is definitely not a shade that I would ever wear. This is in the shade Ember. And it does have a batch code on the back. I don't know if there's like special batches or what. I don't know, but let's just go ahead. We're gonna swatch this and see. Here's what the applicator looks like. I mean, this could be a very fun product, but again, it's just not something that I would wear. I am not entirely impressed with this. I mean, it's cool. It's definitely a multi-chrome. I'd have to get it on the eyes. I mean, it's neat. Again, it's just, I don't know. It's just not a shade that I would wear. Just not for me. I'm gonna try it out. I'm not gonna knock it till I try it, but I'm not like over the moon excited that I got a product like this. I do struggle a bit with like liquid shadows because a lot of the times they crease. I have hooded eyes and I have trouble with that. And believe it or not, I tend to have more oily eyelids. So it's really hard for me to make products like this work because I really have to set my under eye, or I have to really set my lids, under eyes, really have to set that down. And then when I try to put a cream product on top of a powder, it just doesn't work for me. So I don't know, we'll give it a shot and see what I think of it. All in all, this box is actually fairly disappointing. The products just don't really make any sense. It doesn't really go with the theme Flourish. I mean, look at the shade of this shadow flip. I mean, this is not soft, it's not ethereal, it's not springy or summer or anything in any way, shape, or form. I mean, this is very much so out there, and I'm pretty sure on my quiz I do indicate that I definitely gravitate more towards neutral type products. The skincare is okay. The serum is honestly the one thing that I am most excited for right here. Really, I mean, the eye cream is meh. I already own the Glow Wand. Now, if I didn't already own this, I would be ecstatic that this is in my box, so I can't really discount that. The brush is complete trash. I'm gonna be honest with you. This is so cheap. Obviously, at the end of the day, the one serum sells for 65 bucks. I'm only paying, what, $25 for this box? Obviously, the value is there. These products just are not for me. In fact, I am gonna go ahead and say that this is probably one of the worst Boxycharm boxes I have ever gotten. And I try not to be too critical. I try not to be too critical because I've had some issues with Boxycharm in the past, but I have to be real. I mean, this is just not that exciting. This is not an exciting box. It feels very thrown together. I almost feel like I got a variation where they were just like, meh, we're just gonna put that in there. We'll just give her that. That's kind of what it feels like. I feel like it's an afterthought. I'm just not impressed with it. It really makes me want to just make sure that this really truly gets canceled at this point. I'll probably forget whatever. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to continue to see me do more consistent Boxycharm unboxings. Maybe I'll hold on to it for a little bit longer. Let me know if you are still subscribed to Boxycharm at this point. I mean, are people still freaking out about this these days? Are people more into Ipsy? I love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. It's so interesting to me. That's the funnest part about all this, is the community and getting to hear from you guys and hear your thoughts and opinions, especially like on Boxycharm and beauty products and all that stuff. Your guys' opinion, it's just so fun to see. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. Of course, if you enjoy the content, please hit subscribe and stick around. I upload a ton of different beauty content from monthly favorites. I test a lot of products. I do unboxings. We do a little bit of everything around here. Of course, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.